Hashtag Myrtle Beach vacation.
After all is said and done, isn't it so funny how you know me better than I know myself?
Let's go find the birds. Go get them, go get them, go get them.
Nice trying to fake them there, Justin.
Thanks for sharing your bird stuff. Where are you going?
What?
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Little pigs, let me in. Yum, 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 yum.
Ready? You got eyes on him? You good? We've been hyping him up for the train mini golf. Like, yeah.
Put your balls in the middle.
Can you put your ball in the picture, baby? Yeah!
Yeah, whoa, okay.
That'll do. Watch on. Thank you. You want to go? Oh my word, look at all the water.
Whoa, look at the dinosaur bones.
Whoa. Is that real spooky?
Are you ready to get your butt kicked?
No, that's not gonna happen.
Mama's turn.
Oh man!
Yeah! Oh, that was so good!
And now he's just playing in the wet sand.
Ow,
Ocean! Ocean! Watch out! Whoa! Oh. It's okay. You're right.
Keep going. Do it.
Is that what you want? Very good.
Yeah.
Look out. Let's do it. See dinosaurs.
You want to see dinosaurs?
Yeah. Right there.
Let's do it.
Almost did it again.
What's up, T-Rex? What's up, Velociraptor? What's up, Dilophosaurus? Hi, Triceratops. Oh my god. That was such a good hit.
That was a good hit. I think he wants to play hockey.
That's not even a hockey thing.
I know, but look how he's holding it.
That's not even a hockey thing.
How many? 1, 2, 3. Wait. Alright, I'm just gonna throw it, guys.
I saw him move. What's the T-Rex say? Roar!
Oh, you heard Daddy roar, not the T-Rex. Are you okay?
Cool. Start again.
Okay. So, full disclosure, we let LJ tell us what his score was for each hole.
You did really good though.
It worked for a total of 6 holes, and 2 of them were not amounts. So LJ has a total of 110 plus orange and no way. Gups with a total of 43 and Goof with a total of 41. So if you want to put him down, I'll ready? Winner!
That puts me 2 games ahead.
Go ahead, LJ.
That puts me 2 games ahead in the Myrtle Beach Championship. So far, it's been a shutout.
Like you make my smiles happen, man.